In this video, we go step by step through the sublimation process. I recently had a custom order for a cruise ship candle, and the design we ended up with was 2 clip art designs purchased from Etsy. Follow along for the steps to create a custom candle. If we haven't met before, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to make personalized candles using sublimation and engraving. Supplies you will need for this project are a matte white candle vessel, clip art, sublimation printer, sublimation oven, sublimation paper, shrink wrap, heat tape, and a heat gun. When I purchase clip art, I bring the art into Canva, which allows me to add text to it. This makes it super easy to personalize candles for any occasion. After downloading my final version, I then print it to my sublimation printer using sublimation paper. I run the same design through the printer twice, which is necessary for printing on glass for those vibrant designs. Once sublimated to the glass, your design won't rub off or fade and is dishwasher safe. This is how you make a lasting keepsake candle that can be used over and over again. Many repurpose the candle for pen holders. When I want to personalize a design even more, I run my design through ChatGPT. In this example, it allowed me to get specific on the cruise line itself. Don't be afraid to play with your designs and style in ChatGPT or similar AI. Step 1. Cut your design to size and tape it to your candle vessel using heat tape. Make sure the design is flush against the glass with no wrinkles or air pockets. This is why I use a 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch size for my sublimation designs, as when they get bigger, it is hard to get them flush against the glass. Tape all around the design itself so there are no gaps, wrinkles, or air pockets. When finished, make sure you put heat tape around the rim of the glass to prevent the shrink wrap from sticking there. Step 2 is to wrap your vessel in shrink wrap and seal it with a heat gun. This will provide the required pressure for your sublimation oven. Cut your shrink wrap into a large rectangle. Roll your vessel and tape up the seam with heat tape. Don't worry about getting this step perfect, as it will continue to shrink in the sublimation oven. Shrink wrapping is a necessary step before you put your sublimation design in the oven. Step 3 is heat your oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and bake your candle for 6 minutes. Let it cool for 30 minutes or longer before unwrapping. Step 4 is unwrapping your candle art. On my candle vessel, I have put a different design on both sides, which adds value and variety. Experiment and have fun. You can comfortably fit 3 designs on a single candle vessel. Now let's talk about one more personalization option that will elevate your candle to the next level, and that is engraving the lid. This couple chose this design for their lid, and we are engraving using the LaserPecker 5 diode laser, 30 power and 30 depth for our maple wood lid. The candle information that is normally on the candle label gets engraved on the inside of the candle lid. And finally, our warning sticker goes on the bottom of the candle vessel and is now ready to ship. The unboxing experience is a very important component of the entire luxury personalized candle experience. We make it extra special with colored crinkle paper, product cards, and something special for you stickers. I print my own stickers using my Moonbeam thermal printer. If you have a large order with multiple candles, check out Flush Packaging for those large orders. They have boxes that fit my Makesy Aura vessels, and I can ship up to 12 at a time. Personalized candle art has a way of surprising you. A single design can turn into a large order, making preparation just as important as creativity. As we wrap up today's video, take a look at this custom wickless candle created for a special couple. It's another example of how candle artists transform ordinary candles into meaningful keepsakes. If you're serious about candle making, start thinking like a candle artist. If you want to go deeper into candle design, sublimation, engraving, and creating candles that truly stand out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in getting my book on sublimation and engraving at cost, the link is in the description. Buyers of my book can explore a free trial that includes one-on-one coaching, a physical monthly newsletter delivered to your front door, and my private school community. And if you'd rather buy my candles instead of making them yourself, I've added a link to my Etsy shop below. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.